Before buying a shotgun red dot sight, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Osight SC Enclosed Micro Reflex Sight. The Osight SC Enclosed Micro Reflex Sight caught my eye with its compact design and dual reticle options, priced at $169.99. If you want a reliable sight for concealed carry, this is worth a serious look. This sight features an RMSC footprint, making it compatible with many popular handguns. The aspherical lens provides a clear, distortion-free view, ensuring you can quickly acquire your target. Plus, the 2 MOA dot and 32 MOA circle options give you flexibility depending on the shooting scenario. With over 1,200 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that buyers appreciate its performance. Now, some people complained about the battery replacement being a bit tricky due to its side-load design. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the ease of access is totally worth it, especially if you shoot frequently. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable sight for concealed carry. Skip this one if you prefer something with a quick battery change. At this price point, it offers solid value for the quality. Now, if the battery issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EZ Shoot Red Green Dot Gun Sight. Next up is the EZ Shoot Red Green Dot Gun Sight, an absolute steal at $22.99. If you want something affordable that still delivers, this is definitely worth checking out. This sight offers an ultra-wide view thanks to its 22x33 lens, allowing for quick target acquisition. The unlimited eye relief is a game changer, letting you find your target regardless of how you're positioned. And with 2,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that this sight is a favorite among budget-conscious shooters. However, some users mention that it can lose zero after heavy recoil, which is something to keep in mind. But honestly, for the price, it's a small trade-off considering how well it performs for light to moderate use. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or if you're looking for something to use casually. Skip this one if you're planning to shoot heavy loads regularly. For under $25, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Burris Fastfire 3 Red Dot Sight. Coming in at $139.99, the Burris Fastfire 3 Red Dot Sight is a versatile option that's hard to beat. If you want a sight that can adapt to various shooting scenarios, this is worth a serious look. The Fastfire 3 features both a 3 MOA and an 8 MOA dot, giving you the choice based on the distance of your target. The automatic brightness sensor is fantastic, adjusting the dot's brightness according to the environment, so you always have optimal visibility. Plus, with a field of view of 190 feet, you'll have a wide scope to work with. It's backed by a 4.5-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews, showing buyers love its reliability. Now, some users noted that the mounting system can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once it's secured, it holds zero incredibly well, so it's worth the initial setup hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable sight that works well in various lighting conditions. Skip this one if you want something super lightweight, as it's a bit bulkier than some other options. For its features, it offers great value for the quality. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, wait until you see the next option. Product number 4, CVLIFE 1x22x33 Reflex Sight. Next up is the CVLIFE 1x22x33 Reflex Sight, priced at $32.99. If you're after a budget-friendly option with added features, this one might surprise you. This sight comes with a 33 lens for a broad field of view, making it easier to track moving targets. It also features 4 reticle styles with 5 brightness settings, catering to various shooting scenarios. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 1,500 reviews, it's a popular choice among casual shooters. However, some users mention that the build quality feels a bit less durable than higher-priced models. But honestly, for what you're paying, it holds up quite well for general shooting. Skip this one if you're after a heavy-duty option for extreme conditions. For under $40, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, if you're looking for something that combines premium features with durability, the final product on our list is where it's at. Product number 5. HOLOSUN 510C Multi-Reticle Open Reflex Sight. Finally, we have the HOLOSUN 510C Multi-Reticle Open Reflex Sight, which comes in at $309.99. If you want a top-tier option that doesn't hold back on features, this is definitely worth your attention. The solar failsafe feature automatically powers the sight with solar energy when there's enough light, which is a huge plus. With over 6,700 reviews and a stellar 4.8-star rating, it's clear that many buyers appreciate its advanced technology. Now, some users found it a bit heavier than expected, which could affect balance on lighter firearms. But honestly, the performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for serious shooters. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated shooter looking for advanced features. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and compact. Considering its features, it's a solid investment that delivers high performance. So to wrap it up, the Osight SC offers reliability for concealed carry, the EZ Shoot gives you budget-friendly versatility, the Burris Fastfire 3 shines in varying light conditions, the CVLIFE is a great choice for casual use, and the HOLOSUN 510C is perfect for those who want premium features. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your shooting needs.